Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 2x1 Direct Thermal, labels 1300 count 1 roll per review high-endurance build tested. When running a high-volume warehousing operation, retail inventory system, or bustling e-commerce fulfillment center, every single supply choice impacts your bottom line. Recently, I decided to test out the 2x1 Direct Thermal labels 1300 count, 1 roll designed for prominent thermal printing ecosystems like Zebra Industrial Barcode Systems and Rollo desktop units. Check the video description for the updated price link. Out of the box, my first impression was defined by neatness, sturdy packaging, and an absence of frustrating static or adhesive bleeding that often plagues cheap off-brand thermal label rolls. Each roll arrives securely wrapped, ensuring that the edges of the thermal paper do not get crushed during shipping. A critical detail, because dented roll edges translate to constant printer jams. Unboxing the roll and loading it into my Zebra thermal printer took less than 10 seconds. The core diameter is standardized, meaning it slipped right onto the spindle without sliding around or requiring clumsy adapters. Right away, the paper stock felt crisp and substantial, promising high legibility for UPC barcodes and SKU tracking details. To truly understand why these direct thermal labels stand out inches the crowded market of barcode stickers, we need to examine their specifications closely. Measuring exactly 2 inches by 1 inch, this dimension is the gold standard for retail price tagging, inventory bin labeling, asset tracking, and UPC barcode generation. Dimensions 2 inches width by 1 inch height, optimized for standard barcode scanners. Count per roll 1,300 individual labels, reducing the frequency of roll changes during large batch printing. Printing technology Direct Thermal requires zero ink, toner, or thermal ribbons, cutting operational supply costs down to near zero. Compatibility fully compatible with major printer brands including Zebra Industrial and Desktop printers, Rollo, Dymo compatible models, Munbin, and various other direct thermal label printers. Perforation clean, crisp micro-perforations between each label for effortless tearing when printing inches manual or strip mode. Adhesive quality strong permanent adhesive designed to stick firmly to corrugated cardboard, plastic bins, glass, and shrink-wrapped merchandise. After putting these labels through a rigorous long-term usage test spanning over 2 months of continuous inventory management, I can provide a comprehensive performance assessment. During this period, my warehouse printed thousands of barcode stickers for incoming stock, clearance items, and bin locations. One of the most impressive aspects of these labels is their thermal sensitivity. When interacting with the printhead of a Zebra industrial printer, the chemical coating on the face stock reacts instantly to heat. The resulting text and UPC barcodes are jet black, razor sharp, and completely free of smudging or fading. Even when printing at high speeds often exceeding 6 inches per second, the printer registered 0 skipped lines or misaligned gaps, thanks to the precise optical sensing marks on the liner backing. Adhesion performance is another critical metric. Cheap labels often peel up at the corners when exposed to warehouse temperature fluctuations or humidity. These labels feature a robust adhesive formula that grips tightly onto varied surfaces. Whether applied to rough cardboard boxes or smooth plastic tote bins, once pressed down, they stay put. Furthermore, if you are looking to optimize your broader workspace or tech setup alongside your labeling stations, you might also want to check out this helpful related product guide for streamlining warehouse monitoring displays. High capacity with 1,300 labels per roll, minimizing downtime. Extremely sharp thermal print quality with deep black contrast. Strong permanent adhesive bonds securely to cardboard, plastic, and metal. Check the link in the description to get yours today.